The discharge speed from two sluice gates at the dam situated in Yichang, Hubei province, progressively rose from 28,000 cubic meters per second to 32,000 cubic ms. Dianjiang County, a component of the Chongqing municipality, experienced an unprecedented single-day rainfall of 269.5 mm. This severe climatic occurrence impacted over 50,000 individuals, leading to significant regional destruction. Intense rainfall caused a provincial highway collapse in Chongqing's Kaizhou district, resulting in traffic disruption. The operations of Chongqing Railway Station were also influenced, prompting the suspension of 27 journeys. The flooding incurred direct economic losses of approximately 82 million yuan, $11.5 million US dollars. Nearly 2,000 hectares of crops suffered damage, compounding the economic repercussions. Furthermore, the floods tragically claimed 8 lives due to the heavy rainfall. In reaction to this crisis, the Flood Control and Drought Relief Headquarters in Chongqing elevated the flood emergency response to Level 3 across 15 districts and counties. By initiating floodgate openings at the Three Gorges Dam, management of Yangtze River water levels during heavy rainfall was successfully facilitated, exemplifying proactive flood control efforts. Given the anticipated additional precipitation, the decisive actions of dam operators remain pivotal.